Good morning, guys. We are at Rad Torque Raceway on a beautiful Labor Day holiday morning. We are just at the track. Just got all set up and everything now. Today should be a good fun day. We're breaking 130 today. We're putting it out there. And yeah, let's go see let's go up in the stands right now, take a look who's out there. As you can see, we got all sorts of cars out here. That's just for the intermediate guys or beginner. I'm not sure what class they are. I kind of just got here and I wasn't listening. Let's do a little lineup of who's in town and tag. This is Charlie's car from XS Company. This thing's fat. I think this is supercharged too. I'm not sure. I know K's is, but I like the theme they got going. We got John's Supra, Advan GTs, EVS tuning mirrors, Voltex wing, new livery which looks sick. Then we got the XS Company Supra on Vitour P1s, which I'm looking to try out next season. This thing's cool as fuck. It says 2.5 twin turbo, so I'm assuming it's just a 7M in here. But it's got the fucking Vogue Monsters on it, which are sick. These are like one of my favorite wheels. Straight out of Japan. Yeah, this thing's clean. I believe it's a 7M in here. It says 2.5 much, but it says twin turbos. Like, I know these did come with 1Js and at one point. This is like the high school dream car I had. Still wouldn't mind having one, but they're just incredibly hard to find. And then we got K's S2000. This thing is track beat, but it's sick. We got Charlie. Then we got this heap. Today we'll be testing out the new brakes. Actually, we'll test the whole new setup. New brakes, new tires, new suspension. Basically, compared to last season, this is a completely different car. So we're hoping to... I can't remember what the track time is. I'll post it like right here as I edit this. But yeah, got the numbers on. Got your gear set up. I'll go in depth of what I bring. I don't bring very much just because you don't need very much. With this car at least, my Evo, I bring a little bit more. I always get the... first session jitters, but it goes away as soon as you take your first corner, basically. All right. All right. Get a feel out for this. It's already way better from what I remember with the old tires. I was sliding around already. My goal today is to be a little bit more smoother around this section. Come wider there. Here we go. it shifted. Alright, just did my second session. I didn't really get on the camera after my first session. I thought it was way better, but it was absolute dog shit. But second session was a lot better. I think I don't have my official time yet. We're gonna just go take a look real quick at who's all racing out today and what they got. So you'll have seen this. I'm not sure what wheels they are, but they're fucking as any. All T615K tires. Gentleman racer, just on a stock Civic Si, 8th gen. Yeah, completely stock. With the NA1 Miata, with some Fanadors. Oh, it's a Unos actually. Miata on slicks or RE71RS. Damn near slicks. Seem to be stock exhaust too. Oh yeah. 300ZX on NT01s. Looks like 5 Zegan wheels. Oh yeah. Clean. Porsche taken off. Scion FRS on RPF1s on RS4s. Valenti taillights. Damn, 4S. That's pretty sick. I think goal in life is have a Porsche of some sort. I didn't realize there's 20s on there, damn. Nissan 400Z on Indy 500s. Those must be getting slick on the track here. Otherwise, pretty stock. Looks like it has some sort of Nismo exhaust. The JDM Fairlady Z badge. C8 Corvette. BRZ TS on super speeds and the Vitour P1s, which I've been told are like the next best thing for tires. I might run a set next season. Otherwise, fairly stock car, a little bit of rubbing, but nothing wrong with that. Second gen BRZ. And Kuko has 4s. Signal yellow, if this is signal yellow. If it's not, I'm not a Porsche nerd, so. Boxer GTS. Yeah, these are fucking nice. We got a pink Mustang. Absolutely bedazzled. My girlfriend definitely fucks with this car. Audi TT on rotiforms. Fellow Type R on TC4s. Same wheels I run on my Winters. Mad Speed 6. Didn't see many of these anymore. On RPF 1s. Otherwise, super clean. Looks like a stock 9th gen. Part of me says I miss mine, but at the same time, maybe not really. Another Porsche. Nice burgundy color. And another 86 R35 GTR. I don't know if it's actually been running. I don't think I've noticed it out there yet, but an Elantra N. I've never seen one of these at the track before. I imagine it rips pretty decent. Interior is really nice on these, actually. Still smells brand new. Well, I was hoping to get a third session, but that's not the case today. Someone had an incident on track, so it kind of cut our time short. So unfortunately, no personal best today. Let's see what it was, actually. My first run was, let's take a look here. My first run was 137.741, which is horrible. I can't remember what my one last year on my complete stock setup was, but I'll insert it right here. And then my second run was better. It was 135.242, but still tons of time on the table. I was hoping to I was getting faster obviously with each session, but we just ran out of time today. So I will be back here. I'll be on Stratotech actually on Sunday, and then I'm coming back here like on the 27th, I think it is. So that'll be the last one of the year. So I'm hoping to get a fast time than that. So we're gonna go eat and go watch the car. Unfortunately, guys, we fell short on the goal today. We actually didn't come close, but that's just a situation of if you don't go to the track all the time, if you don't use it, you lose it. I didn't really feel as confident going in between turns 5 and 6, right before 7, and I could tell right away. Near the end of my second session, I was definitely getting into it a lot more, but then my second session got cut short due to, I think there was a leak or ended up being a fire near the end. I'm not sure if you had a breakdown or what, but cut our session short. I was hoping to get a third session, but it unfortunately didn't work out that way. Luckily, I'm going to Stratotech on this Sunday, so we'll be doing that. It'll be technically a new track to me. I've only done like 3 laps on there, and I shredded a belt on my Evo a few years ago, but that'll be fun. We'll be doing that, and then in a few more weeks, we'll be doing another session at Stratotech. We'll be doing a full day that day, just so there's no time left on the table. And I got Kay from XS giving me a hand. He's gonna tell me where I'm slowing down, what I can be doing better, and then that for sure, I'm sure just those pointers will help me like no other. But yeah, this one's a little bit of a shorter video. I was kind of wanting to do a little bit longer and more in depth, but I kind of got to the track at a little bit of a later time than I wanted to. So basically, as soon as I got there, I had to kind of just head out. But yeah, you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. The next one should be coming out pretty soon. And yeah, and hope you guys had a good summer. And as we hunker down for fall, the videos will be kind of slowing down a little bit, but we're going to try to combat that with some other stuff. So see you on the next one.